Hi everyone, welcome to the Dream Cars, and today, we're diving into a machine that's about to reshape the way we think about performance, design, and innovation, the all-new Martin 2026. If you thought last year's models were impressive, wait until you see what Martin has done this time. This isn't just another step forward, this is a leap. So, what makes the Martin 2026 such a dream car? Let's start with its silhouette. From the moment it appears, the Martin 2026 demands attention. Sculpted with precision, it blends aggressive aerodynamics with a graceful design language that balances elegance and power. The sweeping front, the razor-sharp LED lights, the low-slung stance, it's not trying to look futuristic, it is the future. Martin hasn't just updated the body, they've reimagined how a performance car should move through air. Every vent, every curve, and every edge is functional. And you can feel it just by looking at it. Under the hood, or should we say, under the shell, the Martin 2026 packs a hybrid powertrain that's simply breathtaking. A twin-turbocharged V8 paired with a high-output electric motor delivers a combined 980 horsepower. That's right, 980. And with a 0 to 60 mph time of just 2.4 seconds, this beast isn't just about looks, it's about raw, unfiltered performance. But what makes it even more insane is how refined the ride feels. It's violent speed wrapped in luxury. The powertrain isn't just built for drag strips. It's engineered for balance. An advanced all-wheel drive system distributes torque with laser precision. Whether you're ripping around corners or gliding down highways, the Martin 2026 stays composed, confident, and brutally efficient. But let's talk about something that matters just as much as speed, the experience inside. Step into the cabin and it's clear, Martin understands what dreamers expect. The interior is a masterpiece of futuristic minimalism. OLED curved displays blend seamlessly into the dash, offering a fully customizable driving interface. AI-assisted driving modes adjust your experience based on your mood. Yes, your mood, thanks to biometric sensors integrated into the steering wheel and seat. From full adrenaline mode to a calming, near-autonomous cruise, the Martin 2026 is more than a car. It's an extension of you. The materials, only the finest. Alcantara, carbon fiber, vegan leather, every surface feels intentional. Even the sound system, developed in partnership with one of the world's leading audio brands, turns the cockpit into a concert hall. And speaking of sound, the Martin 2026 lets you choose how it roars. A virtual exhaust system lets you toggle between classic V8 rumble, electric silence, or a fusion of both that sounds like something out of a sci-fi film. And yes, it's smart. Extremely smart. With a next-gen OS powered by Martin's proprietary AI engine, the 2026 learns your habits, routes, even your preferred seating temperature. It connects effortlessly with your devices, your home, and even other cars in real time. Over-the-air updates ensure this car will keep evolving long after you buy it. Now, let's not skip over sustainability. Martin has made big promises, and the 2026 delivers. Built with recycled aluminum, biocomposites, and ethically sourced components, this isn't just a supercar, it's a statement. A fast, loud, beautiful statement that says performance and responsibility can live in the same garage. And what about the little details that separate great cars from dream cars? The doors, butterfly style, obviously. The headlights, adaptive laser beams that scan the road and react to weather and obstacles. Even the wheels are active, micro-adjusting for grip and performance in real time. The Martin 2026 doesn't just anticipate the future. It's built for it. Is it rare? Absolutely. Only 1,500 units will be produced worldwide. Each one customizable, each one numbered. And if you're asking about price, well, if you have to ask, you might not be the target audience. But let's just say, it's north of $400,000. Worth it, if you're someone who dreams not just about speed, but about innovation, elegance, and pushing the edge of what's possible, then yes. Every penny. So here's the big question, is the Martin 2026 the dream car? For us at the Dream Cars, the answer is simple. It's not just a car, it's a vision on wheels. It represents where we're headed, not just as enthusiasts, but as a culture that's learning how to fuse technology, sustainability, and passion into something unforgettable. If this is the future, count us in. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, And tell us in the comments, if you had the keys to the Martin 2026 for just one day, where would you take it?